Hey guys, in today's short video, I'm going to show you how to remove the side skirt on your BF Falcon. Originally, I went looking for a video on how to take these off myself, and the only thing I could find was this. This, for obvious reasons, was not very helpful. So I figured I'd put together a video myself so that if anyone else was trying to remove it, this would hopefully help them. To remove the side skirt, I'd recommend you have a few trim removal pieces, a screwdriver, as well as a phone. On the underside of the car, there is 3 Christmas tree clips that are holding in the side skirt. To remove these, you simply need to pry them out with some kind of trim removal tool. I would recommend using your phone and positioning it with the front-facing camera showing up under the car so that you can use it to position your tool, unless of course you have a jack and can get under your car. You simply just need to slide in your trim piece, pull away until it comes out, and repeat this on all 3 of these clips. Within your wheel well, you may also have some push clips holding in the side skirt that you'll need to make sure you remove. Next, you'll need to open both your front and rear doors and begin pulling away the rubber strip that sits on top of the side skirt. This rubber strip has clips that run up alongside it that essentially push through into holes on the side skirt that then push into holes in the body of the car. Effectively, the side skirt is sandwiched between this rubber trim and the body of the car using these clips. Starting from the front edge of the car, simply slide your trim piece in and start prying away to pop the clips out. They can be a little bit fiddly, so please try take your time. Just keep working your way up along until the whole piece feels like it's loosened off. Once the rubber trim is fully off, you can then slide it through the rear passenger door out the front to remove it. With all of this now removed, it should be a case of just jiggling the side skirt until it pops off. Hopefully this video helps someone who's trying to remove the side skirts. If you are interested in more Falcon content, I'm having a go at respraying my car at home with absolutely no experience, so you might enjoy these videos. Thanks for watching.